Today I got some great things in the mail, so I thought I would open them on camera and share them with everybody. I got something from Social Nature, and we got the sample source today too. And I can't remember what I got, so we're going to find out together. So I think we will open the Social Nature first. Move that out of the way. Okay, let's see. It says Social Nature is awesome, and it's both Canadian and American. Actually, there's more American things on there, I think, than Canadian, so definitely worth checking out if you haven't before. And it is a coupon. Let's see, what's the English? For Patience Fruit Company. Organic fruit. Good Lord, I should have put glasses on. Hold on a second. I'm living in denial of needing to wear them. Okay, let's see. It is, what does it say? I don't know, but it looks really good. Whole and juicy product. Cranberries. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to try those. Okay, let's put those aside and open up the box. It came a little beat up, as they often do, but okay. Okay, the very first thing is some tea. Ooh. 2 tea bags of, peppermint, hibiscus, and lemon balm. Oh, that sounds really good. Looking forward to trying that. And the next thing is, my cat will be happy. Some Temptations. Chicken flavor. Treats for cats, and they're only 2 calories per treat. How good is that? Next is Dove shampoo, conditioner, and serum for dry, wavy, curly hair. Perfectly nourished hair and 72-hour manageability. Well, that seems good. Okay, next. More Dove. This is Advanced Hair Series Conditioner. Regenerative nourishment. With red algae complex. Okay. Assuming this is the shampoo, yes. Here we go. Regenerative for damaged and over-processed hair. Lately, the last few things that Dove has come out with, I've actually been impressed with. I have very long hair, and I have to be very careful with the products I use because I find that most of them just don't cut it, but the last few things that Dove has come out with has been a lot better. I find anyways. Okay, next. Oh, some painkillers. Motramax. 12-hour liquid gels. Always good to have some of those to throw in your purse. Next, this is the relatively new laundry soap, and I'm willing to give it another try, but I did buy some, and I was not terribly impressed. I found it really stinks. So, anyways, we'll give it another try. And what's this? Dove Advanced Hair Series Serum. Let's give it a smell. It's not bad. It's got a little bit of a smell. That's pretty, but it's not a strong smell, which is nice. There's a couple more things in here. Ooh. Nutri-Grain Fruit Nut Medley. Harvest blueberries and mixed nuts. That actually looks quite good. If you can see all the things in there. Almond and peanuts and it's not going to come in focus anyways. It looks tasty. 150 calories. And what's next? Oh, we got some emergency vitamin C. Those are awesome. Always good to have those on hand when you feel like you're getting a cold. And, oh, a $5 off coupon for a box. No idea what a box costs, but that seems like a fairly decent deal. Keep an eye open for some sales. And then we have the Dove. $1.50 off. For hair that feels 100% regenerated with use of the system. Don't think I've heard of red algae before. Okay. Well, let's see, what else? Oh, two more things. Oh, another bar. Which is this one? Nourish. It is dark chocolate, chunks, and almond. Well, can't go wrong with chocolate and almonds. I noticed this one doesn't have the calorie count on it. Let's see how many calories it is. It is, let's see, one bar is 170 calories. Wish this darn thing would focus. Anyways, 170. There's one more thing. Oh, we got some Tylenol, arthritis pain. 24 caplets. Alright, so we're good to go. Well, that was a fun opening. I always forget from the point that I request it till I get it what actually I got. If you haven't signed up for Sample Source, you can sign up to hear when the next one will be coming, and you'll get an email the day of or the day before. Sometimes they send some out throughout the months before, just giving you a sneak peek. Anyways, check them out. They're awesome to get some free goodies and to try this stuff and see whether it's worth spending your money on. Alright, that's it. Bye for now.